Hey everybody, so I found this video as I'm kind of going through doing some preparation for my year long. Hey, here's my journey, where I started and where I am now, and through this RVing, downsizing a 16-foot trailer, minimalizing, getting outside, all the hiking and backpack I've been doing, and all of the mental all the mental issues I've gone through, being psychologically ready for this, not when I started. And this video I found is, dropped my glasses, is about 4 minutes, I think. And this is only 10 days after I was out on the road. And this is, it taps into some of those basic things that that really hit me early on, like connectivity, being able to get online, accessible to people, just all these things I just didn't realize right off the bat. I thought I was just gonna, I thought the internet was everywhere. Not really, but just not letting it sink in that it was going to be that difficult. And so it brought me to a really, I had a panic attack. Woke up in the middle of the night with a dang panic attack. Never had a panic attack. I've been through all kinds of things in my life, and panic attack's not one of them. I've had some, a little anxiety here and there, but I always push through it. And it's more prevalent now that I'm dealing with so much stuff. But, so I want you to watch this. Please watch this video. Again, this is a lot for newbies. Getting out there. I've made another video that was called You're Not Ready. Talking about, all this other stuff around RVing and traveling and all that kind of stuff in a trailer. Downsizing to that is the challenges are always there, just like life. Flat tires, you need extra fuses, your gray water, black water, all these different things, around that. Really, and not a big deal. You can work through those things. It's the mental stuff that jacks with you all around through that, because you're in a different environment, or you're out in places you don't know, or you can't find things readily. They're not at your fingertips. And also being connected, whether it's through work or family or whatever it is that gives you that peace. So anyways, watch it. Hope y'all like it. Talk to you later. Bye. Oh man. I think I had some sort of a small panic attack. I'm not really sure why, except right now I'm feeling pretty isolated right now. I just don't have any communication or way to communicate right now, which is so stupid. It's just for a couple more days, but I think I missed something. I don't know exactly what it is that I missed, but I figured I'd film it. Maybe that would help. I feel like I can't readily get to my kids, or if I need to. I don't know if I like this path I'm on now. I feel like I put myself in positions to have choices, and I feel like I work to take myself out of those positions to where I don't have choices. But I do have choices. I can choose anything or not. Anyways, I think I'm just being a bitch. So, wow. I hope that's over. It's a horrible feeling. So, anyways, I'm in Lockhart State Park, laying down in my damn 16-foot 6-inch RV. Hot, tired of the heat. It's just beating on me. It's making me. Maybe that's what's making me crazy. I think today was a good day for work. At least I think it was. So, hopefully I'll work through all this. Sure I will. I always do, right? Well, just thought I'd tell myself that into the camera. I'm fairly certain this will never get posted, so. Okay, bye.